Are you someone who has given the mains exam recently and you're waiting for your mains result, gearing up for the interview? And as you do that, do you experience a sense of fear, anxiety, stress within you? Do you experience this urge in you to go consult too many people, books, and all that so that you actually perform well in the interview? I understand, my dear friends, you are justified in having all these fears because all this while only a portion of this was tested. Now it's you, as you going into UPSC to get tested whether you are up for becoming an IAS. I am here to address these concerns to you in a message that I'm going to share with you right now. By the way, my dear friends, Vinay Kumar here, international NLP and IAS coach. With my 15 years of coaching experience, I have come across a lot of people, who are super smart, super hardworking, sometimes not translating their abilities into results, especially at the level of interview. Now, that's when I did very intense research into what matters at the level of interview in the civil service exam. And out of this intense research, I've had number of very, very useful findings, which I have put it in, which I've put into a framework called interview guidance program. Look at here, it's not a coaching program, my dear friends, which I generally do as an NLP coach. It's a guidance program. I just guide you into various aspects of interview in just a 2-day program, 6 hours each, 12 hours program, my dear friends, where I introduced to you an important concept that most of you may not know, called competence, interview competence. See, people, even after their prelims and mains, when they are preparing for interview, just prepare, as if they are preparing to an exam like prelims and mains, which is wrong. Interview is a different ball game altogether, my dear friends. Fair enough? So what you require for your success at interview is not just knowledge, but along with knowledge, skills and attitude, which is collectively called competence. So in this interview guidance program, what I'm exactly going to do is introduce to you what is that attitude that you require to win in the interview. What are those skills that you require to ace the interview? So many skills are there. Most people are not even aware of these skills, and even if they know them by name, like let's say decision making, communication, problem solving, leadership, they don't know exactly how to develop those skills or what is the nitty gritty of that skill. This program is going to be an eye opener to you, my dear friends, raising your awareness on all these skills by leaps and bounds. Now, coming to attitude, if you look at attitude as the trait, motive and self-image and all that, there's so many things that you will have to know with reference to what it is to have a winning attitude to ace the interview. So I invite you all, my dear friends, I invite you all to this amazing, magical, transformational 2-day program at IAS Vinishers. You can do it online as well, sitting at the comfort of your home, my dear friends. Okay? Thank you so much, my dear friends. See you all at the interview guidance program. And what you have to do to be at the interview guidance program is to just see the link below here, either in the video or in the description below. Click on that link, okay? Register for the interview guidance program. Let's see there, my dear friends. Thank you so much.